Me but she wasn't waiting. I couldn't understand why she slapped me in the face. Well, now next morning, she sent me to the job center. They asked me what I'd do, said I didn't have a trade. They said come back tomorrow. I said a problem monster. So I went back to the pub. I put the place away. Get up out of bed, you drunken lazy bastard. You're drinking all night and you sleep all day. Get up out of bed, you drunken lazy bastard. You don't get off your ass. I'll be on my way. When I arrived home, my babe already left me. Saw me in the buzzer in the middle of the day. Like it's in the CN, been 20-year marriage. I'll go back to the pub. I put the place away. Get up out of bed, you drunken lazy bastard. You're drinking all night and you sleep all day. Get up out of bed, you drunken lazy bastard. You don't get off your ass. I'll be on my way. Last night at the pub, saw me cousin Rory. Couldn't believe me eyes when I saw her babe. The bastard of me wife, that's not the end of the story. The dirty drunken bastard drinks twice as much as me. Get up out of bed, you drunken lazy bastard. You're